The Practice of Digital India, an evolving guide for active citizens. The power of digital technologies. Digital technology has one distinct quality. It is not constrained by time and physical space. For example, suppose you want to write a letter to some, say, your parents in a physical world, then you need paper and ink. When you complete your letter, you need to walk to a nearby post box and post it. It takes some days before it reaches your father. In case you are writing a letter to many people, all these steps needs to be repeated for each one of them. It takes time, paper, ink and effort. All this happens because it is physical in nature. Now come to digital world. You can compose and send an email in few minutes and it reaches the recipient within no time. This is an illustration of eliminating the time and space constraint of physical world by digital world. This is applicable to many things we did in the past. In the past we used to send money through postal money order. It used to take days. Now with UPI mode, money gets transformed instantaneously. This is because mode of transmission is digital. The Digital India project intends to use this new property of digital technology to build a new India where everyone is connected and everything is delivered electronically. Digital technologies such as cloud computing and mobile applications have emerged as catalysts for rapid economic growth and citizen empowerment across the globe. Digital technologies are being increasingly used by us in everyday lives, from retail stores to government offices. They help us connect with each other and also share information on issues and concerns relevant to us. In some cases, they also enable resolution of those issues in near real time. Digital India intends to use these technologies in empowering citizens. Since digital technologies overcome traditional barriers of time and space, Digital India will bridge the long standing differences between digital haves and digital have nots to ensure that government service reach every household in order to create a long term, long lasting development impact. Digital technologies also bring in greater thrust to promote inclusive growth that covers electronic services, products, devices, and job opportunities. It will also facilitate an enabling environment for electronic manufacturing on much larger scale to match the growing needs of the nation. Digital technologies have huge potential in changing the way we organize our life. They can help us eliminate need for physical resources that make many of our day-to-day operations. Digital technologies enable us to create paperless documents and conduct transactions online. Digital resources are not constrained by location, time, and size. Some of the salient features of digital resources include a digital document can be stored on network and can be accessed from anywhere and anytime using computer and mobile device. When government uses digital technology for delivering citizen services, it can serve its resident better. For instance, a resident can access a document from his mobile or home computer or in a nearby cyber center. There is no need to visit office in person or physically carry a paper-based document. And within offices, there is no space needed to store thousands of paper-based documents requiring large space and effort to organize them. For residents, managing their digital document is very easy. They can store them on digital storage and access anywhere. Residents can share digital documents with anyone by just providing a soft copy or link to those documents that they wish to share. This saves paper, postage, and efforts. For example, a student can share a link to his academic records with institution where he is applying for admission. When government uses digital technologies, the application process for jobs or courses or availing other services becomes very easy and accessible from anywhere. Instead of traveling to places, people can use digital devices for application process and even to avail exam results. In other words, life happens on digital platform called Digital India for every Indian resident. The Practice of Digital India, an evolving guide for active citizens.